Hi all, welcome to my channel ANC TradeView. So today we'll talk about how Bank Nifty and Nifty will behave in tomorrow's market, that is 9th of October, Friday. So today basically market stopped at 23,450, exactly at the point where we have marked. So basically this is the zone we have mentioned in our yesterday's analysis video, and Bank Nifty just took resistance from that level and came down. So how the market will work out tomorrow? So there are few news. Basically tomorrow is the monetary policy of RBI, so that will come out around 10 o'clock. So try to do not to trade before 10 o'clock. Once the monetary policy is out, then try to trade based on the price action and the levels that you have to take care of. For example, if you want to take buy trade, so basically the Bank Nifty will be bullish only above 23,450 and will be negative below 23,000, basically 23,000 level. So if you see, the today's candle is basically a shooting star candle. So this is the same candle. If you can see, this is almost same candle we have seen in 5th of October. Okay, today again similar type of candle has developed in Bank Nifty chart. So that day also I mentioned it's a negative candle, but you have to give some time to the market, so that basically it will be negative only if the market goes down below this level, 23,000 level. Okay, if the market opens here, let's say for example the above the today's closing price, let's say 23,200, then don't take selling position, because until unless it cross this level, 23,000 level, it will not go down, because trend is bullish. Okay, all the indicators, all the chart pattern till now it is showing a bullish pattern. So whenever you take trade in the shorting side, try to trade in a small quantity and give some time to the market so that it close below this level in tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow, then you can take a short trade. Okay, now let's go to the daily shorter time frame chart. So this is the Bank Nifty 15-minute chart. So if you look into the levels, so you have to sell only below the today's current low. So let's say for safer purpose, sell below 23,000. If it comes below 23,000, then you can start counting. Okay, the market is market intends to go down. Okay, then if below 23,000, you can target for 23,800 level. Okay, 23,800 level and 23,600 level. Okay, so these are the two levels in the selling side, but I am not expecting until unless there is a bad news. If the RBI policy statements or RBI statement says something that which is not so good, then the market may come down. But right now the market trend is bullish. Okay, and in the buying side, if the market opens above 23,300, or after opening if it cross 23,300, then the first target you can expect is 23,450, which is today's high. Okay, and after that 23,600 and 23,800, and the final target that we are expecting, it is 23,900 to 24,000. Now let me show you one of the tool that I normally use to get like how far the market can go. Okay, so let me show you the Fibonacci projection tool. Okay, so this is the low, this is the high, and this is the bottom that it made. From this level, which are the levels is achieved? Just see, the first level which was 61%, which Bank Nifty achieved quite easily. After that it crossed easily 22,534. Then it took resistance around 22,900 to 22,000 level, which was a round number. So it took resistance, some resistance there, and today it just touched 1.618%. Okay, which was around 23,406 level. Now if it crossed this level 23,450, that is today's high, then next immediate, that is Fibonacci level projection 2, will become to 23,945 to 24,000. Okay, so this is the next level that you have to keep in mind, because the market trend is bullish, there is no negative news still now in the market. So my view is bullish until and unless if there is one more negative close. If we see in the bank nifty or nifty chart, then we can think about shorting the market. But for time being, the right now, based on the current market scenario, based on the data and based on the chart pattern, I am till now bullish. Okay, because bank nifty yet to uh, cross this trend line. Okay, so this is that strong trend line bank nifty taking support. First is to cross this trend line, it is to take break the 23,000 level, then we can think about okay shorting the market. Till then don't short. That is my view. Now if I go to the nifty, so nifty also almost uh, same. Nifty you can see is a like doji candle. Okay, so our ultimate target that we are expecting was 11,800, that is that was previous high, but nifty opened today above that level and it almost achieved 11,900 level. Now if nifty has to come down, then nifty first has to cross this level, 23,800, 780 level. If it cross below 780, then we can think about shorting the nifty or selling in the nifty. Before that, don't go for selling. And there is one more thing, because tomorrow is a monetary policy, and if you see that nifty almost from 11,000, 10,800 to 11,900, it took how many days? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 days. Okay, 1,000 points in 10 days. Okay, so there are higher chances that there can be a price correction. And if you see this is that like a steep trend line. Okay, market never release like this, so there may be a profit booking in coming days. Maybe it can happen tomorrow, or maybe it can happen on Monday. So let us wait. Okay, so for tomorrow, if you want to, like for example, if there is a chart pattern or something, and if you want to sell, if you have to plan it, the sell below 11,780 level. Okay, the first target it can be like around 11,730, and then you can 11,700, 11,650. In upside, if it is to go, then first it is to cross 11,900 level, that is today's high. Until or unless it cross this 11,900 level, it will not come down, it will not go up. So the next immediate zone that we have, which is let me remove this one. I think the next immediate target that can happen in the nifty, if it cross 11,900, that will be around 12,000 levels, which is a round number. And if it goes above also, this gap, it may take resistance, that is 12,000 to 12,070. So that if nifty goes to that level, then at that point also you can sell. Okay, with a stop loss of above 12,100. Okay, so you can we can sell in the market with a stop loss of 12,100. So this is my current market view. So all the charts, all the patterns, and all the data, that options data we have right now, and there is no negative news in the market till now. So my my view is bullish. Let us see how the weekly candle closes tomorrow. Okay, if there is any negative candle into tomorrow's chart, and then we can think about okay whether to if there is any major correction can happen, major or small correction can happen in the market before going up. So I am expecting that it may go sideways. Okay, and after that it may give a big run. Okay, so most probably this weekend I'll give a detailed analysis of both nifty and bank nifty, the monthly view, weekly view, how it may perform in the rest of the month, in the month of October and coming months, November, December. Okay, there are lots of news in the month of October, and in November we have US election, so you can expect volatility in the market. So trade accordingly. Keep your stop loss, try to keep a stop loss like reasonable. Don't take trade with like 100 200 point stop loss. Try to minimize your stop loss, because market can move any direction, because there can be some news that may come into the market, so you should be ready for that. But the trend is bullish. Market is yet to give any sign of negativity, so we have to wait for that. If there is any sign of negativity, then we can see in the chart. Before that, don't expect any big uh, big fall in the market. Okay, so this is my current view. So we will meet in tomorrow's live trading video. So tomorrow again I'll try to do, like for example, couple of trades in bank nifty, and we will see okay how I take trade, what is my mindset, what is my psychology before my taking the trade, and how quickly or I am taking the trade and how quickly I am exiting the trade. So the mindset behind those trades, so that you can understand. So we'll meet in tomorrow's live trading session. Okay, so thank you very much for watching the video. Stay tuned. Thank you.